concurrent causation is allowed in evidence in an intox assault or intox manslaughter case under certain circumstances. And I'll show you the case that talks about how you meet the threshold to present an argument of concurrent causation, meaning that it wasn't just your client's fault that this injury or death occurred. It was the actions of the victim that actually caused the injury or death. That's what we mean by concurrent causation. There was another cause aside from your client's actions that made the injury or death occur. Okay? So this is the key term. I'm going to read this. A person is criminally responsible if the result would not have occurred but for his conduct, operating either alone or concurrently with another cause, unless, here's the two-part deal that we'll analyze, unless the concurrent cause was clearly sufficient to produce the result. That's the first question. And then the second question, and the conduct of the actor clearly insufficient. Okay? This is Science v. State, a pretty recent case that is very good at outlining when concurrent causation evidence should be allowed. It wasn't allowed in this case, and it took an appeal, an excellent appellate attorney who's a friend of mine here in Houston. And this is kind of an outline. It doesn't require much, but if there was some evidence before the jury that the defendant's intoxication did not necessarily cause the collision and the death, and there was some testimony that it was essentially the victim's actions, then you're entitled to go into concurrent causation. So it doesn't take a lot. It's just some evidence of both of those things. If the jury hears that, then you can present your case on concurrent causation. In this case, the victim had a 0.172 or 0.175 BAC. He was highly intoxicated. And the court said you can't present that because it would be unfairly prejudicial. Court of Appeals said differently, that absolutely that comes in. The person walking on the road who is a 0.175 is highly intoxicated and may have caused this accident to occur by their actions and not the actions of the defendant.